Hey cake lovers, welcome back to Bakingo. As promised, we are back with another cake making video, and this time we are nailing a butterscotch cake recipe. Let us know how it turned out for you in the comment section below. Let's get started. Take a bowl. Add 1/4 cup of oil. Add half cup of sugar. Now mix them well. In this, add half cup of yogurt. Add 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder. Mix them well. And now add 7 to 9 drops of butterscotch essence. If you don't find butterscotch essence, you can also add vanilla essence to it. Now add 3/4 cup maida in 2 to 3 batches. At this point, you can add some butterscotch crunches in it. It gives a great texture to your cake. Now mix it and add the batter in a well-greased pan. Put it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the cake is out of the oven, let it cool and release the sides. Invert it on a plate gently. Tap it to remove your cake from the tin. Now make butterscotch sauce. To make butterscotch, add half cup of brown sugar in heavy bottom pan. In this, add 1/4 cup of butter and let them melt. Once it is melted properly, make sure there are no sugar grains left. Add half cup of fresh cream. Make sure it is at room temperature. Now let it come to a slight simmer and then turn off the heat. Let it cool down. Now take the cake and cut it into slices. Take 1 plus 1 plus 4 cup of heavy cream. Add it in a cold bowl so that it whips up quickly and easily. Whip the cream for 5 to 10 minutes till it forms stiff peaks. Take a cake board, apply a thin layer of cream on it. Now take the cake slice, soak it in sugar syrup or normal water. Now apply the cream which you whipped earlier. Make a dam with the help of piping bag so as the fillings don't spill out. Apply the sauce which you made earlier in the center. Add the butterscotch crunchies. You can also crush it and use if you want small pieces. Repeat the process for all the layers. And now crumb coat it and let it set in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. Now you're ready to make designs of your choice. Don't hold back from trying the delicious cake. Till then, like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such cake baking videos.